Welcome to Practice Better. In this video, I'll be walking you through managing your availability. Once you have created services in your portal, you can set your bookable time slots by creating your availability. To do this, go to My Practice, My Availability. You can create your availability in two ways. You can click on your intended start time and drag to your intended end time. Or you can click on the red Fast Action button and select One-on-One Services and manually enter in the start and end time. You can choose to set your availability as a recurring time slot. Next, enable the services you wish to offer during the availability period. Click on the toggle beside the service. This indicates that the service is available during this time slot. If you have multiple methods of conducting this service, you can select how this service will be conducted on a given day. If you work out of multiple locations, you can decide which location you will be working out of. Once you have set your availability, click Save to save the time slot. You can adjust your availability by clicking on the availability period and adjusting the start and end time and adjusting which services are available, or by clicking Delete. By selecting Delete this instance only, you remove the availability for that particular day. By selecting Entire Series, you remove your entire recurring availability. You can then recreate your availability for that one specific day. This concludes this video on managing availability. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.